Got 3 solid days off of work, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, and it is pouring down rain here, so bummer. Anyways, at least we can do some stuff to the Subaru. Welcome back to the channel, guys. My name is Steven. That's my Scion FRS right there, aka the Subaru. It's absolutely disgusting outside today. I've got the next 3 days off of work, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday this weekend. Had some videos planned, but it is just really rainy out, so I didn't get to meet up with any other cars, but I did some general maintenance to the car today. I did another oil change using 5W30 full synthetic Mobil 1 oil, and I also did a K&N filter recharge kit on my K&N filter. I've had that filter in there for about 2 years, and it's still working out really well for the car. But today we're gonna do something a little bit different. I got a couple minor modifications for my car, and I'm gonna show you guys what they are right now. First mod I'm going to be doing today is I'm going to be doing an LED headlight conversion kit. So the stock bulbs that come with this car are not that bright. So Landon, my brother-in-law, who you guys saw marry my sister in St. Thomas in one of my videos, he actually got me 2 things for Christmas. This is the first thing that he got me, full LED conversion, so should just be a plug and play. So we'll do that one first. And this is the second mod that he got me for Christmas. I actually didn't even know they made these for the car. But this is it. This is actually a dry carbon fiber gas cap cover for the Scion FRS. Really clean. It's the dry carbon, so it'll match my dry carbon mirrors. I also have the carbon wing on the car, so you know what I've said, the more carbon fiber the better. So what we'll do now is we'll get those headlights installed on the car, then we'll throw this carbon fiber gas cap on. It is absolutely disgusting out here. So this is what the stock bulbs look like on my FRS. Just, I don't know, I'm colorblind, but I guess like just a regular standard halogen bulb. Not too bad, but I think it's gonna look way better with the LED lights. So without further ado, let's go ahead and install these bad boys. I'm pretty sure he said he got these off of Amazon. So if any of you guys are looking for this, this is the, however you say that, the Nino 2, and this is the H11. All right, so I got the bulb out of the passenger side here. And just for a quick reference, this is what the stock bulb looks like there. We'll put it right next to these beautiful new ones. Just pull it out, just so you guys can see. And this is the massive LED bulb that we're gonna be replacing that one with. So this bulb will actually just screw right into where I took the old one out, but this is the new harness. I should actually just plug right into the where the stock harness plugged in. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna plug this in real quick, and then we're gonna test it out before we put it back in the car. Yeah, I'm saying this is gonna be a lot better. Stock bulb, brand new LED. I can't even look at it, it's so bright. So it's kind of hard to get on camera since it's still kind of daylight out here. But I mean, this is literally a night and day difference. This bulb is very bright. This bulb is very faded. Let's go ahead and do the driver's side. I can already tell the camera is not doing this justice at all, but this looks so much better. It is seems like it's gonna be a lot better to drive at night, so we'll definitely find out tonight. But oh yeah, you can tell this got it's like a little bit of a blue hue to it, almost white. I don't know, I'm colorblind, but I think it looks really good so far. Anyways, we'll tighten this up, and we'll do the gas cap, the carbon fiber gas cap next. One thing I thought was pretty cool about these headlights is, I don't know how much it's picking up on it, but right there, if you can hear it, it's got a little fan spinning. I guess that's to cool the LEDs down. Didn't really know that. Anyways, there's the little converter box there. So I'll probably 3M tape that somewhere over here, or I'll end up zip tying it, but we'll go ahead and get that tightened up too. Man, it was tempting to rev it, but I have a little bunny in here, so I can't be doing that. So obviously the first step for the gas cap today is going to be to dry it off since it's soaking wet. And the carbon fiber gas cap actually came with these alcohol prep pads to clean it up, so we'll get it cleaned up. This is even in Japanese, so yeah. This is an official JDM alcohol pad for a dry carbon fiber gas cap cover for a Scion FRS. Interesting. So I'm actually just drying the whole side off here because I didn't want water to, kind of run down like it is right there and get in the way of me working. So I'll just go ahead and get this little whole side right here dried up and then we'll get started. With this being a part that I didn't even know existed, I've got a lot of things in my wish list on FT 86 speed, 86 speed, Redline 360, a few different websites I've really been wanting. I've actually never seen this, so not really sure where he came across it, but I'm really think it's going to look cool. But I guess there's no really installation instructions, so we'll keep it simple here. Do I use the 3M provided tape for it? Or it also came with some super glue. I think what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to use the 3M tape for now, see how well it'll stay onto the gas cap, and then eventually what I'm going to do is he runs a body shop. I'll probably take all of my carbon fiber parts, the wing, the gas cap, the mirror caps, and I'm going to bring them to his paint booth and have them clear coat it, sand it down, make sure they look great, because the wing definitely needs a new clear coat on it. Kind of hard to tell here in the rain. And then of course the dry carbon mirrors, if we do a clear coat on those, we'll see how it looks. So I won't super glue it on there yet, just in case we end up taking it there. Let's go and put this thing on the car. And voila! It's been about, I don't know, 45 seconds, and I got the 3M tape on there. It looks like it's not going anywhere, but I know it's kind of hard to see. Man, my neighbor's Mustang is so loud. It's got a Boss 302, I have to check that thing out. But we got the carbon fiber gas cap on here. It's looking really good. Obviously the lighting's pretty bad right now, but I don't know, I think it gives the car a little bit more of that blacked out look. I think next step for the car, I'm probably gonna get some clear or black side markers, and I got a few other small things that I'll probably end up doing to it. But I know this was kind of a short, simple video, guys. Just wasn't much more to do on this gorgeous rainy day here in North Carolina. But let me know what you guys think. Do you like the LED headlights, and do you like the carbon fiber gas cap? And also let me know what you guys think I should do to the car in the next coming months or so. If you did like today's video, make sure to like this video and hit that subscribe button. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Peace.